As a school administrator, the sheer amount of data you have to consume in order to lead and report on student success is intense. The good news is we have tools to help with the heavy lifting. Let's say you need a list of students whose beginning of year iStation proficiency levels are below average in English language arts, whose attendance rates are less than or equal to 90%, and who are identified as ELL. The All Scores data view is a great place to start your search. In the All Scores data view, let's start by identifying the subject area or filtering the subject area for just ELA. Next to the subject area column is the beginning of year 21-22 data for Reading Plus, iStation, and iMesa. Let's click that chevron to expand this column because related to all of those assessments is also a column for proficiency level. So locate iStation, and right next to that is the proficiency level. What we'll do is we'll click this filter icon, and we're going to filter the values in this column for values that are less than or equal to 3. And I think 3 is the point where we're looking at students being on the bubble for proficiency. So in those 2 clicks, you've got the information you were looking for. Now, let's go and look at some of that demographic information we were searching for too. Now, do I have to go open another system? Nope, it's all right here. Let's go back to student, and we click that same chevron to expand to the information that is your demographic information for each of your students. Click the attendance rate, same filter, and we're going to look for values that are less than or equal to 90%. Because again, that's where the risk factor begins. And the other information that we wanted to see was this for those students that are English language learners. So we're really looking at those attendance rates and how they're impacting the instruction for English language learners. Here they are. Let's isolate that for students that are currently identified as ELL. And there you have it. In those 3 clicks, you have a list of all of your students who answer the question that you had going in. Now, you see that there are bubbles across the top of the screen that remind you of the data that you're looking at in this filtered view. Let's click the heart icon, and we're going to save this favorite. What it means when you save a favorite is that this format that we've just created remains and can be accessed in your favorites menu anytime you want it. So let's save that as this is your all scores, weekly proficiency, attendance, and ELL report. Click save. And now this view is added to your favorites. Now, the good news about that is every time you click this favorite, this data is going to be refreshed with new data, and that's going to really help you with reporting. For more information about how to really dive into saving favorites, click the question mark, access the user guide. We can find information about working with data views and working with favorites. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, learn a little bit more, and we look forward to sharing some more information with you in the days and weeks to come.